Hello everyone, welcome back to College Duniya's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CBSE 10th exam 2024. CBSE class 10th exam for the academic year 2023 to 2024 will begin on February 15, 2024. CBSE will tentatively release final CBSE class 10 date sheet 2024 in December 2023 at cbse.gov.in. Central Board of Secondary Education has already released CBSE Class 10 2024 syllabus on its official website, which is cbseacademic.nic.in. The syllabus is the same as previous year and 30% reduction in the syllabus is continued for this session as well. The board has also announced changes in CBSE Class 10th exam pattern 2023 to 2024 for the final board exams. CBSE will include 40% MCQ type questions and 40% subjective type questions in the final exams. The board will also ask 20% competency based question in CBSE Class 10th exam 2024. Let's check the CBSE Class 10th exam 2024 highlights. The Central Board of Secondary Education conducting the exam in the year of 2024. The exam level is national level and the duration is 3 hours. The mode of exam will be offline and the official website is cbse.gov.in. Let's check the CBSE Class 10th registration fees 2023 to 2024. For India, the regular fee is Rs 1500 for 5 subjects, Rs 300 per subject for additional subjects, Rs 1200 for 5 subjects for SC or ST candidate of Government Schools of Delhi. For Nepal, Rs 5000 for 5 subjects, Rs 1000 per subject for additional subjects. For other countries, regular fee is Rs 10,000 for 5 subjects, Rs 2000 per subject for additional subjects. Let's check the CBSE Class 10th exam pattern for Maths. Number system consists of weightage of 6 marks, Algebra consists of weightage of 20 marks, Geometry consists of weightage of 15 marks, Coordinate Geometry consists of weightage of 6 marks, Trigonometry consists of weightage of 12 marks, Mensuration consists of weightage of 10 marks, Statistics and Probability consist of weightage of 11 marks. In internal assessment, the pen and paper test and multiple assessment consist of weightage of 10 marks. Lab practical lab activities to be done from the prescribed books consist of weightage of 5 marks. Portfolio consists of weightage of 5 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 10th exam pattern for Science. Chemical substances, nature and behavior, world of living consist of weightage of 25 marks. Natural phenomena consist of weightage of 12 marks. Effect of current consist of weightage of 13 marks. Natural resources consist of weightage of 5 marks. In internal assessment consist of weightage of 20 marks. The grand total consists of weightage of 100 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 10th exam pattern for Social Science. In history, the rise of nationalism in Europe, nationalism in India, the making of a global world, subtopic 1 to 1.3, print culture and the modern world map pointing consists of weightage of 18 plus 2 marks. In political science, power sharing, federalism, gender, religion and caste, political parties, outcomes of democracy consist of weightage of 20 marks. In geography, resources and development, forest and wildlife resources, water resources, agriculture, mineral and energy resources, manufacturing industries, lifelines of national economy, map pointing consist of weightage of 17 plus 3 marks. In economics, development sector of the Indian economy, money and credit, globalization and the Indian economy. The subtopics are what is globalization, factors that have enabled globalization consist of weightage of 20 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 10th exam pattern for English language and literature. Reading skills consist of weightage of 20 marks. Writing skills with grammar consist of weightage of 20 marks. English literature question from textbook consist of weightage of 40 marks. In internal assessment based on assignment and project consist of weightage of 20 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 10 Science syllabus. The chemical substances consist chemical reaction, nature and behavior, acid, bases and salts, metals and non-metals, carbon compounds. World of living consists life process, control and coordination in animals and plants, reproduction, heredity and evolution. Natural phenomena consist chapters light, reflection and refraction, human eye and the colorful world. Effect of current consists chapters of electricity, magnetic effect of current. The natural resources consist our environment. Let's take the CBSE Class 10 Social Science syllabus. In history, the important chapters are The rise of nationalism in Europe, nationalism in India, the making of global world, subtopic 2 1.3, print culture and the modern world. In political science, the important chapters are power sharing, federalism, gender, religion and caste, political parties, outcomes of democracy. In geography, the important topics are resources and development, forest and wildlife resources, water resources, agriculture, lifelines of national economy, subtopics, roadways and railways only. In economics, the important topics are development sectors of the Indian economy, money and credit, globalization and the Indian economy, subtopics, what is globalization, factors that have enabled globalization, map pointing, all chapters of geography, contemporary India, second, nationalism in India. Let's check the CBSE class 10th math syllabus. In Unit 1 number system, the chapters are real number. In Unit 2 algebra, the chapters are polynomials, pair of linear equations in two variables, quadratic equations, arithmetic progressions. In Unit 3 coordinate geometry, the chapters are coordinate geometry. In Unit 4 geometry, the chapters are triangles and circles. In Unit 5 trigonometry, the chapters are introduction to trigonometry, trigonometric identities, heights and distance. In mensuration, the important chapters are area related to circles, surface area and volumes. In statistics and probability, the important chapters are statistics and probability. In trigonometry, the important chapters are introduction to trigonometry. Let's check the CBSE class 10th English syllabus. In reading, the important topics are discursive passage of 400 to 450 words, case-based passage with visual input, statistical data, chart, etc. of 200 to 250 words. Total length of two passages to be 600 to 700 words. Multiple choice questions or objective type questions will be asked to assess inference, analysis, interpretation, evaluation and vocabulary. In writing skills and grammar, in 100 to 120 words, write a formal letter based on a specified case. One of the two questions must be answered. Create an analytical paragraph in 100 to 120 words on a given map, chart, graph and cue. One of the two questions must be answered. Grammar, tenses, models, subject, verb, concord, reported speech, commands and requests, statements, questions, determiners. In literature, language through literature, 1 drama or prose extract out of 2, 1 poetry experts out of 2, multiple choice object type questions, short answer questions to be replied in 30 to 40 words and very short answer questions, 1 word or 1 phrase will be asked to examine inference, analysis, interpretation, evaluation and vocabulary. Short and very long answer questions, 4 out of 5 short answer type questions from the book First Flight must be answered in 40 to 50 words to examine interpretation, analysis, inference and assessment. 2 out of 3 short answer type questions from Footprints Without Feet must be answered in 40 to 50 words each to examine interpretation, analysis, inference and assessment. 1 of the 2 long answer type questions from First Flight must be addressed in 100 to 120 words to measure originality, imagination and extrapolation beyond and across the text. This might be a question based on a passage or a situation or plot from the literature. 1 of 2 long answer type questions from Footprints Without Feet requiring interpretation, extrapolation beyond the text, inference or character description to be answered in 100 to 120 words. Let's check the CBSE Class 10 Preparation Tips 2024. Below are some useful preparation tips for students preparing for CBSE Class 10 exam 2024. Create a study plan and stick to it. The first step is to storing well in any exam is to create a study plan and stick to it. This will help you manage your time effectively. Do not keep everything for the last moment. Instead, cover the syllabus throughout the year so that you get enough time for revision. Use the sample papers and question banks available online to practice different types of questions. Make your own handwritten notes for important topics. This will help you in the final days of revision. Do not take stress as this will reduce your productivity and learning abilities. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.